What's up? It's Joe with OCDetailing, and today we're throwing gang signs. We got red, we got blue. So as you know, the Model S is on a send-off. They're no longer gonna make them anymore. Same thing with the Model X. So Tesla did a great thing, and they gave you one last chance to buy a super cool, super special Model S, and there were only 250 of them made, and this is it. This is the signature Model S. So if you were a Tesla VIP or you bought a bunch of cars from them, you got an email with an invite to buy this Model S, which is basically a plaid Model S with a couple subtle tweaks. The first one you'll notice, Tesla took it back to the first Model S. The first Model S ever released was called a signature, and it was in this same red color. Crazy thing about this, I actually detailed one of those cars, but actually probably more than one, but I had a bunch of those cars. It was where my Tesla adventure began, and like the first Model S's I ever detailed were this signature red color. I remember doing them and they looked so cool and it was so futuristic, and I just had no idea this is where it would end. So bringing it back full circle, Tesla is doing the send-off with the signature Model S plaid that people got at their event last night, and we have one here. So let me walk you through some of the changes, and I have another Model S behind me so I can actually show you. So first thing we're going to notice, the signature red color. Again, paying homage to the original release of the Model S, they brought back the Sig Red. One thing they did different that I never saw on any of the other signature cars was they matched the door handles. So the door handles are body matched. Along with that, they gave you the full track pack on this car. So you got giant carbon ceramics on the front and comically big carbon ceramics on the rear, which is actually not a bad thing, because anybody who's driven a plaid Tesla, it accelerates so violently that it doesn't make sense. I wish I could say it had that much stopping power. The cars with the track back brakes, definitely a much needed upgrade. It makes a really big difference on how the car stops. So really cool to see they did that for these. Along with that, you get these really cool gold calipers, which I love. It actually looks very neat to have the gold and red combo. Also, I'm half Persian, so you'll know us Persians, we very much like gold. It's one of these things. It's very appealing to me, so makes happy to see the gold here. Along with that, they did a custom plaid badge on this car. It's black and gold to match the theme of the signature car. Other than that, I think the other tweaks inside this car are pretty subtle. You get the matching gold plaid badge in the seat. You get the, yeah. You couldn't even get your camera up, Alex. Of course you didn't know that. Had to come out here and tell you. So, along with the matching, it's a true story. Alex was having a camera dysfunction earlier. He couldn't get his camera up at all. I think it was him, not me. Just saying. So they did the gold matching plaid badge, and also you get the really cool signed dash here, the signature 1 of 250, to let them know you have a special car. Other than that, it's basically a plaid Model S, but this is a send-off. We'll never see another one of these. Like, they're gone. As of right now, you can no longer order a Model S. You'll never see another Model S, the car that literally changed the world's view on electric cars and made them feasible, because up until the Model S came out, there was no good options for an electric car. GM made that little weird spaceship looking thing that kind of sucked. Nobody wanted to buy that. You had a Nissan Leaf. You know, The Model S was cool. It was fast. It was a big car. You could fit a lot of people in it. It had dog mode. You could control it from your phone. They did something so revolutionary with this car. It flipped the automotive industry on its head. And now you see all these things that came from this car, including the ability to look at your car from a cell phone. The industry would have never done that had it not been for Tesla making it standard on all their cars. The fact that you can unlock and start your car and share keys with a phone, that was all Tesla. Nobody had seen a card key. All Tesla, and it all started with the Model S. So I'm a little bit sad to say there will be no more of these cars, but I understand. I will also say that this car changed my life personally. My whole adventure in OCDetailing and everything that happened here, and Alex standing behind that camera, was all because of my reputation that I got because of working on these first Teslas that came out. I had never done anything viral. I was just really good at polishing cars, and I posted It wasn't even a video. I posted a step-by-step documentation of me polishing a signature red model car or Model S, and it got viewed like 1,000,000 times on a Tesla forum. And then here we are today, where we've worked on probably 20,000 plus Teslas. I mean, it's a lot. We've done so many. So I'm a little bit sad to see the Model S get discontinued. I understand why though, because if I didn't tell you this was the newest Tesla and I parked at that same 2012 signature red S right next to this, there are some differences between the two. The interior is much more modern on this one. The bumpers are different. This one's a little wider, but it's basically the same car. So it was so good that it was really hard to improve. And Tesla tried their best over the years, and this is where they landed. And I'm really happy with the way this one came out. Sad to see them go, but love to see them come in the shop. And we got a bunch more coming, so we'll be happy to knock those out. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing.